Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Social Boost, which is an amazing website you can come to in order to grow your Instagram with real followers, and then you can start monetizing your Instagram followers for lots of other things. Without further ado guys, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to socialboost.co, link down below in the description. I'm also going to take you across to show you a fantastic place and a way that you can get this product at a massive discount today later on in the video. So make sure you stick around for that. In terms of Instagram, everyone's probably got Instagram and you probably use it to put up your photos, maybe follow your friends and some famous people, etc. But did you know that actually you can make money from having followers on Instagram? Even if you don't have that many, you can start to monetize your channel, whether that means getting free products from different people in order to advertise them on your channel, or whether people will actually reach out to you and pay you to post on your page. But you do need to grow your account first with real followers who are actually going to engage with your content. So Social Boost is the #1 Instagram marketing agency. You can see that they've done things for Forbes, Vice Entrepreneur, tons of massive pages here, and that is something that gives us the Social Boost is a good company to work with our account in order to grow it safely, because if you try and overgrow your Instagram and you do it in incorrect ways, you will be banned and you will lose your account very easily. So it's worth doing properly. You'll get real followers, increased engagement, growth analytics, 24/7 support, and also targeted growth. It will enable you to get real followers. In 2022, it's still working flawlessly. It's safe and secure without using bots, so it sticks within the terms and conditions of Instagram, so it will not get your account banned. You're going to get real Instagram marketers. The team is going to help you to grow. You'll get advanced optimization, analytics reports, handmade growth, and 24/7 support, as I already mentioned. You'll grow on Instagram organically, targeting people within the particular niche you want to target. So whether that be like by genders, whether that be by ages, interests, etc., they're going to help you to target specific people who are going to be most interested in following you, and that enables them to create a powerful strategy around that. They have a customer-centric support service, so any problems you've got, they're going to come to you straight away and they're going to be able to help you with any problems and help you to fix them as soon as possible. Coming down below guys, in terms of the pricing, it might seem a little bit on the pricey side, but actually if you're able to grow this, as I mentioned, being able to cover the costs and then much more on top shouldn't take you too long in general, because once you get up and running, you will start to see the fruits of your labors when you get paying clients, etc., who want to post on your page. You can see the basic starts at $59 per month, 100% organic growth, 24/7 live chat and cancel anytime, $99 per month on the premium, everything from the basic plus faster follower growth, weekly optimization reviews, location and gender-based targeting, cancel anytime, and then $249 for the absolute top version, which is everything plus turbocharged growth and a dedicated account manager. And here you can see some reviews from the various customers. Service is really easy to use. They understand your target market, and I saw growth and engagement immediately. That's obviously what we want to hear. Immediate growth is something that we're going to be interested in. Works in over 140 different countries, so basically everywhere that pretty much uses Instagram, I'm sure. And then 24/7 live chat support in the UK and the US. Now, if you've got things like Skype, you can pay a little bit of money. Then you can call overseas to different countries very cheaply if you want to access the UK and US helplines. 100% no risk, all plans are guaranteed. And then down below guys, you've got the team here, which is pretty nice to see because it's obviously all very transparent, and then a bit more detail on what you'll actually get from each of those plans. So the cool thing is it's going to do some following and unfollowing, which is a great way to get new followers, which you can do yourself, but it is very time consuming and pretty boring if you don't want to go and do that, which you can do yourself, but it can be a bit boring and take a long time. Also interest targeting, competitor targeting, monthly growth reports, etc. If you're in e-com or you're in anything really digital business, then you need to be building up your social proof, and this is probably one of the quickest and easiest ways for you to do that. Now, as I promised guys, you can probably see this red banner at the top which says it's our birthday, get 40% off using the monthly coupon code BDAY40. And by going through the link down below in the description, that's going to give you the opportunity to get that BDAY40 discount off your order. You see, you just need to use the code BDAY40 and put it in. Obviously it's for their birthday, so it won't be around forever. So if you want to get involved in saving 40%, then make sure you do that very, very quickly, because I'm sure it's going to be used up quite soon. What else is cool on their page, guys? They have an Instagram Academy where you can find lots of different information on how to boost your followers, yourself, and as well as that, how they're going to help you to do it. Clicking on more, you can see you've got the Instagram Academy here. Affiliate program, you can refer other people and earn 20% monthly commissions on all referrals. 20% monthly commission. So if someone's paying $100 a month, you're going to earn $20 a month just from that one person. And if you say refer 10 people, then you could be earning $200 a month, and 100 people, you might be earning $2,000 a month. So think about it, guys. Could be potentially very exciting on this. So coming down to the AI-powered Instagram growth calculator, you just type in your Instagram username and you can click on Get Started. And here it gives a breakdown of my particular page that I've got here. Profile setup, 12 posts, 1,000 plus followers. I don't yet have. So if you want to go and follow it, you can get me to 1,000 plus followers. Business page following proportion. You can see I'm following lots but don't have many followers in comparison. Story highlights and verified. Not a major issue, but it helps with a lot of follow back rate. To get verified, you need something like 1,000 plus followers. And you can see down below some of the images and stuff from my Instagram. And then it gives a bit more details like followers, engagement, post counts, etc. Coming down to the bottom, it then gives me a tip on what it recommends on how I grow my followers. It will be beneficial for you, and it's going to give me an estimation on what my account should grow to by following their process. And you can see then I should expect a monthly growth or monthly increase of 1,000 to 1,400 new followers, which should put me around 2,174 by the end of the month, which is obviously pretty cool. Because once you get towards 1,000 followers, or because from anything from over like 500 followers to maybe even 1,000 followers, you will start getting approached by people who want to advertise on your page. And if you're getting 1,000 followers a month, that's potentially 12,000 followers a year, and it kind of compounds in growth. The more followers you get, the more you get opened up to more people, and then you will start to engage more with your content and increase more content output, and overall you're gonna see a fantastic growth, I think. So in summary, guys, Social Boost is an incredible program you can go to get your Instagram page to grow by anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 followers per month, depending on the original size of your Instagram account. Once you've started to grow your Instagram account, you can start to get some investment back in terms of being able to sell products and advertise products for other companies out there, which is a great way to build a passive income into the future. There's various different packages available. All can be found through the link down below in the description. And remember, if you use BDAY40, you're going to get an extra 40% off for just a limited time only. So make sure you head through that link down below in the description in order to get your 40% off. As well as that, getting started straight away, increasing your followers, increasing your engagement, and much, much more. Hope you enjoyed that video today, guys. If you did, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about these amazing digital products to help boost your online business, or maybe just give you some more social proof, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest products on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.